Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your Australian visa status online. This is helpful because you can quickly confirm if your visa is granted, see the validity dates, and check your visa conditions without calling anyone. So before we start, make sure to follow our Australian visa and immigration group on Facebook. We post regular updates and you can also learn from other people's experience. Now, here are the steps. First, go to the Australian Department of Home Affairs website at Department of Home Affairs website. Next, go to the Immigration and Citizenship. Then open Vevo, which stands for Visa Entitlement Verification Online. So once you're on the Visa Details and Conditions page, click Check Your Own Visa Details. Now, enter your details. You can use your TRN, visa grant number, or visa evidence number. So most people use the TRN, and you can find it in the acknowledgement email you got when you applied. Then enter your date of birth, document number, and country of document. So sometimes it may ask security questions, so just answer them based on what you submitted in your application. So double check everything, then click submit. So in a few seconds, you should see your visa status on the screen, including the decision date and visa conditions. If it's granted, you can also view as PDF to save a digital copy for your records. And when you're done, log out, especially if you're using a shared computer. And also a quick tip, have your TRN or passport details ready, enter everything carefully, and remember it may take a few days for the status to update online. And that's it. That's how you check your Australian visa status online. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss up on the next guide. Thank you so much.